হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আজকে এসটিজিটি সিলেবাস নিয়ে আমি শ্যাম চক্রবর্তী এলএলবি এলএলএম। আজকে আমরা ইউনিট 1 অফ আওয়ার সিলেবাস থেকে আমরা ইলেকশন কমিশন নিয়ে কিছু জানবো। ইলেকশন কমিশন কি? Election Commission, first of all, it's a constitutional body. So in law there are two types of bodies are there: constitutional bodies and statutory bodies. Constitutional bodies are those bodies which are mentioned in the Indian Constitution, and statutory bodies are those bodies which are mentioned in the statutes, that is different legislations, different acts. As far as Election Commission of India is concerned, it is a constitutional body because it has been mentioned explicitly in the Indian Constitution. Now, as far as Election Commission of India is concerned, it was established under Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution, Part 15 of the Indian Constitution. And as far as the establishment of Election Commission of India is concerned, it was formed on 25th January 1950, which is also celebrated as the National Voters' Day. Okay? What is the purpose of Election Commission behind forming Election Commission of India? The first one is it is conducting free and fair election. Free and fair election. At the same time, which is also known as transparent election, free, fair and transparent election across India. Now, what is the structure of it? You can see it became a 3-member body since October 1993. Since October 1993, it has become a 3-member body. Okay, and as far as the composition of the Election Commission of India is concerned, it includes 1 Chief Election Commissioner and 2 other election commissioners. They are all having the same equal powers. Okay, all having equal powers. So these are some of the important facts that we are trying to understand. As far as appointment is concerned, it is always made by the President of India. President of India under which article? Under Article 324 Clause 2. And as far as the tenure is concerned, it is 6 years or till 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Now, when it comes to removal of the Chief Election Commissioner and the other election commissioners, you can see Chief Election Commissioner is always removed like a Supreme Court judge, and other election commissioners on recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, this is a very important point as far as the removal is concerned. So as far as headquarters are concerned, it is situated where? In New Delhi. In New Delhi. Okay, so permanent secretariat, it has been proposed, but it has not been implemented, which I will discuss later on. Now, these are the current members as far as Election Commission of India is concerned. Chief Election Commissioner at present is Shri Gyanesh Kumar, and other election commissioners are Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu and Dr. Vivek Joshi. Okay, now let us go into the different MCQs, different important questions that we are going to discuss one by one. So the first question, as you can see, it is the Election Commission of India was established on, these are the options. Option A, 26 January 1950, option B, 25th January 1950, option C, 15th August 1947, and option D, 1st January 1989. And the answer will be answer B. That is, what is the answer? 25th January 1950. Okay, 25th January 1950 is the answer. So what is the explanation for it? Election Commission of India was formed on 25th January 1950 as a permanent constitutional body under which article? Under Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. And since 2011, this date is celebrated as the National Voters' Day to promote electoral participation. Okay, so the answer will be answer B. Now, question number 2, that is Article 324 to 329 of the Indian Constitution deal with. I am repeating, Articles 324 to Article 329 of the Indian Constitution deal with. These are the option: A, emergency provisions; B, citizenship; C, elections and Election Commission of India; D, fundamental rights. And the answer will be Answer C. That is, what is C? That is Elections and Election Commission of India. So you can see here Part 15 of the Indian Constitution, that is from Article 324 to Article 329, it provides the framework for free and fair elections in India and empowers the Election Commission of India to conduct elections to Parliament, state assemblies and the offices of President and Vice President. Now let us go into question number 3. Under the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners' appointment, conditions of service and term of office act, the search committee for selecting election commissioners is headed by, these are the options, option A, Prime Minister, option B, Chief Justice of India, option C, Minister of Law and Justice, option D, Cabinet Secretary. And the answer will be answer C. Okay, that is Minister of Law and Justice is the answer. So what is the explanation? The search committee led by the Law and Justice Minister and 2 senior secretaries prepares a panel of 5 names for consideration by the selection committee, which is headed by the Prime Minister. Then the next one, the next question, that is question number 4. Who chairs the selection committee for appointment of Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners under the 2023 Act? Okay, 2023 Act. So first option, option A, President of India, option B, Prime Minister, option C, Chief Justice of India, and option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. And the answer will be answer B, that is Prime Minister. So who chairs the selection committee for appointment of CEC and other election commissioners under the 2023 Act? The answer will be Prime Minister, that is B. So what is the explanation for it? You can see the selection committee includes the Prime Minister as chairperson, leader of opposition of Lok Sabha and a union cabinet minister nominated by the Prime Minister. It recommends candidates to the President for appointment. Okay. Now let us go into the next question. That is question number 5. So what is the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner under the 2023 Act? So these are the options. Option A, 5 years or 65 years of age. Option B, 6 years or 65 years of age. Option C, 6 years or 60 years of age. Option D, 5 years or 60 years of age. So the answer will be, that is answer B, that is 6 years or 65 years of age. So what is the explanation for it? Explanation: Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners hold office for 6 years or till 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. So they cannot be reappointed, ensuring independence and neutrality in electoral functioning. Then the next question, that is question number 6. Which of the following statements about removal of election commissioner is correct? So these are the options. Option A, they cannot be removed only by the President. Option B, they can be removed in the same manner as Supreme Court judges. Option C, they can be removed on Chief Election Commissioner's recommendation. And option D, they cannot be removed once appointed. And the answer will be answer C, that is, they can be removed on Chief Election Commissioner's recommendation. So what is the explanation for it? I have given the explanation. Chief Election Commissioner can be removed only through impeachment, like a Supreme Court judge, like an SC judge, while election commissioners, other election commissioners, may be removed by the President on the Chief Election Commissioner's recommendation, showing a hierarchical safeguard but partial autonomy. Hierarchical safeguard but partial autonomy. Now let us go into question number 7. Which initiative enables citizens to report model code of conduct violations in real time? I am repeating the question again. You can see which initiative enables citizens to report model code of conduct violations in real time. These are the options. That is, the first one, SVEEP, that is Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation. Then VVPAT, that is Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. CVigil app, that is Citizen Vigilance app. Then NERPAP, National Electoral Roll Purification and Authentication Program. And the answer will be C, that is CVigil app 2018. C. Vigil app. C. Citizen Vigilance app. It allows citizens to instantly upload photos, videos of election violations, enhancing transparency and citizen participation during the elections. Now the next one, that is question number 8. It says, which of the following recent provisions aims to make the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners more transparent? This is a very important question. Question number 8. So these are the options. Option A, the Election Laws Amendment Act 2021. Option B, the Chief Election Commissioner and Other Election Commissioners Act 2023. Option C, the Representation of the People Amendment Act 2019. And option D, the Electoral Reforms Act of 2020. And the answer will be answer B, that is the Chief Election Commissioner and Other Election Commissioners Appointment, Conditions of Service and Term of Office Act 2023, which has replaced the 1991 legislation. So earlier we had this 1991 legislation which has been that is removed or replaced by the 2023 legislation. Okay. So it defines the qualification, tenure, salary and appointment process of the Chief Election Commissioner and the other election commissioners. The law introduces a selection committee led by the Prime Minister with the leader of opposition and a cabinet minister as members. Now let us go into there is a next question, that is question number 9. Which of the following is not a challenge faced by the Election Commission of India? So these are the options. Option A, post-retirement employment silence. Option B, independent secretariat. Option C, duplicate electoral rolls. And option D, social media disinformation. And the answer will be B, that is independent secretariat. So lack of an independent secretariat is a challenge, not its presence. So Election Commission of India still relies on government staff, reducing its administrative independence. Okay. Then let us go into the last question, that is, which committee recommended a permanent independent secretariat for the Election Commission of India? Option A, Goswami Committee of 1990. Option B, 255th Law Commission report. Then option C, Sarkaria Commission. And option D, Punchi Commission. And the answer will be answer B, that is 255th Law Commission report. 255th Law Commission report will be the answer. So the explanation, the 255th Law Commission 2015 proposed an independent permanent secretariat for Election Commission of India to strengthen autonomy and reduce executive interference. So what is the present status of it? It has not yet been implemented. Try to understand. It has not yet been implemented. The Election Commission of India still depends on the Law Ministry and lacks its own secretariat. I hope that the lecture was useful, and for such type of videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to like our page on Facebook. Thank you all.